Welcome to the video series based on the book When the Two Seas Meet. This is going to be the last video. I keep often reminding you, this is a final reminder for all of you who have not yet taken action. If you haven't brought this book, kindly get the link from the description box below and grab a copy for yourself. At least you can gift it to somebody, whoever is getting married, and see that you become a contributor in their life. To sum up with all that learnings that Muhammad has mentioned in this book, When the Two Seas Meet, I would like to highlight few points again as a reminder. Number one, reflect on yourself. Know yourself better. What are you for? What is your intention? What are your shortcomings? What are your failures? What are your strengths? Kindly make a note of it. Where am I getting that trigger? What is my communication style? How am I to change? These things matter a lot. Initially, know yourself. This is going to create a lot of impact. What you think of yourself is what you become. So, what you have thoughts about yourself, about your positivity, matters a lot in your relationship as well. So try to make a point that you are very, very optimistic and positive in your thoughts and your approach. Number two, show compassion and selfless love, affection towards others. It could be anyone. Definitely, this will bring a lot of change in your approach as well. Leave the rest to Almighty. What others are thinking about you, what you get the response, is not that which concerns. The matter that concerns is our approach, the love, affection that we show towards others. And leave the rest. Almighty is watching you and He is the one to reward you. Don't you think this is an amazing game changer again? Selfless behavior is going to have endless results. Number three, never get yourself indulged or get too much of interference in their affairs, in anybody's affairs. Let them take their turn, learn their life, and try to take decisions on themselves. Let them make mistakes and learn from it. They are the ones ultimately who lead their life and get happiness or worries or sorrows. Let them learn from them and just try how to overcome these disputes or how to overcome these challenges in life. Number four, maintain that space, dignity, and honor. This is going to give a lot of insights to those people who want to bring change in their life. Number five, start appreciating for everything what they do. I know it sounds weird, but whatever they do, try to seek something good in that particular behavior. There may be some positive intention behind this behavior. Try to find out what is it. Number six, build trust, which is the most fundamental block of any relations. Now, if you have these fundamental blocks or the bricks for your foundation, the relationship becomes more stronger. Number seven, advise people. Give your advice. Admonishing them is not a big deal, but try not to enforce your advices to others. Do not enforce them to do anything. Compelling will create a lot of confusions and misunderstandings. So try to avoid them. Let them do it or not, it's up to them. It's the decisions, they have to take it and they have to lead their life. These are some of the tips as a parting message that I want to share what Muhammad has given in this particular book. May Muhammad be rewarded for all that efforts what she has taken to write this book. I'm again looking forward for a book based on daughter-in-law's perspective as well. Hope she will be coming up with those books again, inshallah. Let us create a revolution of change in the life of others and make their life easy and happy.